This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for January 23rd, 2023. It's currently December 5th, 2022, 5:42 p.m. Eastern Time. And the overall theme and behavior, guys, we have a period of sideways rotation along a key support level on a multi-day chart. It ends with a fast, sudden move to the upside. Behavior around the highest high for the day, we have a sharp decline through multiple support levels off of the high, and we reach the low within close time proximity to the high. The behavior around the day's lowest low, there's a significant move out of the low to the upside, and it looks like there's a period of volatility in which the low forms, and then a fast sudden move to the upside, ending that period of volatility and forming that low. But there's a significant move higher out of that. So we've got the Knight of Swords here. Interesting. So I think there's probably a notable gap up overnight. That's my sense. There's a notable gap up overnight. With that said, so I'm advised to trade around a brief peak that is easily missed, followed by a breakdown through multiple support levels. The pre-market, we have our first day's low, it looks like. The first low, and there's multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. Ending with a fast sudden move higher and a breakout right around the open. But that breakout turns into, there's a reversal out of that bullish move out of the open. There's a reversal, and we turn around and we decline between roughly 10 and 11-ish. We declined through a support level that we recently declined through once before. So on the scale of a one-day reading, recently is like within a few days usually. No more than 10, but usually within a few days. And then we rally again between roughly 11 and 12, but that rally that's interesting. I have this Princess of Wands. I think there's probably a lot of movement to the upside here. Somewhere between midday and the afternoon session, there's a big move to the upside. Either that or it's overnight. Matter of fact, it's probably overnight. Let me see. I think it's overnight. In any case, there's a big move to the upside. And like you could probably have held this long position past the day trade and sold it here midday. Remember, the high and the low are within close proximity to each other. And my sense is that we have the high towards the end of the day. We've got this cash out coin here. We've got the abundance card, which in a lot of cases will be like the highest high. It's a pop through a resistance level followed by a decline back down through that same price level shortly thereafter, creating kind of like a capital A in the English language if the price level that it breaks through momentarily is like the horizontal line. In the last hour, it looks like we have selling from near overbought territory, from a near overbought crest or peak, but also around the close we have bumping up against resistance, breaking through resistance, bumping along resistance kind of behavior. And then this ruin here is really standing out to me. Again, there's a big move to the upside out of the low. Yeah. I'd probably open up protection. So I'd use this Princess of Wands midday rally to, if I held on to the short position, or excuse me, the long position overnight, I'd sell it here, and then I'd open up protection probably towards the end of the day, like in the last 2 hours somewhere where we have this cash out coin. Behavior in the post market, we have a period of volatility with a sharp dip in that period of volatility, and it looks like we probably opened. I'm seeing a big move early in the day, a big move a big move to the upside early in the day, like out of the open. A big move midday, like starting somewhere around like 12ish, and then another big move. It looks like somewhere in the last 2 hours to the upside, all to the upside. But we do have some back and forth in the early part. Remember, rotation first, and then a big move to the upside. In any case, we open up higher. I'm picking up on a significant gap up, is my sense, and it'll be like a fake out in the pre-market. And that's the S&P 500 for January 23rd, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, my friends, make sure you follow that rule of karma. You follow that rule of karma, the universe is going to send it back to you tenfold in all directions. I'll see you on the next one, guys.